Today we're gonna be using the brand new Adetunde kit or whatever you can pronounce it. But I'm gonna be bringing all my friends, full team, gonna use the kit. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, my favorite is the attack cooldown thing.
Yeah, the what's it called? Yeah, exactly that. Correct. Let's go to mid, get some crystals. So basically,
Attack me so.
attack someone to get the crystals. Just attack someone to get crystals. Come here, man. Come here.
I'm playing with 1 TPS, but like 2 is just like not worth it.
I need one more. I need one more. I need one more.
So gabo.
Please. Oh my goodness.
Nice, Black, you have it?
Please. Upgrade. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm gonna die. I died. Come here. Oh wow. Bed.
Oh wow.
It's okay. I just literally just respawned. Levi, don't die. He got teleport. I see that. Don't die. You gotta teleport. Okay, split. Hey.
My dog is
It's
dead.
okay. My goodness. Do you have any upgraded?
No, I have no upgrades.
I have one upgrade.
Oh, dinosaur, God.
Dinosaur.
Okay. No, diamond sword, not dinosaur.
Kalia. Who's Kalia? Oh my god, the whip. Please.
I don't think that's Kylie. I think that's Wim.
There is a Kalia. Levi! I'm here. Nah, I'm gonna die. Oh my god.
Nice. Oh, she's here.
Go. Whoa, why they attack me? Whoa, they just target. Target. Ah, I died. Where is he? Oh my goodness.
Oh wow. Play again.
Nice hack. Wait, where is she? Ah, she. Why you got? Oh. Come on, man. Why you gotta hack?
I think he's like
Zayda's watching.
Alright, we have this Zayda, we have this girl. Alright.
Could have been you right now, Zayda, but it isn't.
I'm going to take it. That's 2 in the chest. I'm gonna rush meet with this person. Alright, fight. Oh, never mind. That's a Zephyr. Oh, crap. Okay. Oh, crap. No. Pyro. Cheese pyro. Ow. Oh, I thought he fell. Oh, there's so many people here. Oh my goodness. Thank you.
Oh my god. The entire green and the blue are here.
Why is there so many people? I just need one more crystal, man. I just need one more.
Oh, no one rush?
Of course not. Of course not. That was pyro. Alright. Protect it. I need it. What? Don't split. Oh my god. Just in nick of time. Oh my god. I need one more.
I need 10 more.
I just need one hit, guys. One hit. Don't run, please. No. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Okay, come on. Help.
Why the Fortnite, man? Why the Fortnite?
What?
Oh, why the Fortnite?
Whoa, stop Fortniting.
Alright, he just took so much fall damage.
I'm not doing that. You
Oh,
took
they
so
don't
much
have a
for
bed.
them.
They don't have a bed. Hey, Fortnite man. Oh, pyro. Cheers.
I already killed a Fortnite man.
Oh my god. Chill. No, I'm
Should I
Fortnite.
upgrade my damage or like save up for attack speed?
You should probably get damage. I'm just saying that.
Okay. Damage it is, I guess.
You can't hit me from there, right? I don't think pyro can hit all the way from up here, right? Right?
No. Actually, yes. Ow.
That hurts so much.
You can kill the. Nice. Okay, I cannot do kill. I cannot fight. I'm solo. Never mind, I'm gonna fight.
I'm so dead. Oh, hey. Come. This round is going well. I don't really.
Me and Zancy wiped out green.
Alright, now just literally. Am I really just rushing game?
Okay, now it's only red.
Oh my god, please no.
No.
Please. Oh my god, the hitbox is so bad.
I'm here to help. Never mind. When I help you, you get a
I like how you said you're here to help and it said literally 1 second later, never mind. Yeah, distract, please. Oh, wait, he died, please. Yes!
He's low. I knocked him.
Come on, no, please.
Nice.
Oh my god. I literally can't upgrade any.
I have 6. I'm saving up for one more.
I just upgraded. This is really the last 3 persons. I need shield. I'm building over you. Yes! Oh my god, he literally trolled you. Oh my goodness.
You know, like, I could have just walked there, but like, you trolled me. I'm not gonna help you. We'll watch.
I'm gonna die. What do you mean I'm the only one? I literally got suffocated. What? What?
We did nothing. Don't eat. Tag.
Oh, that's what she got.
Oh!
What was yours, but
I died.
Okay, I regret helping you. Ancient spoken.
Wow, this is
They have
epic.
Tesla.
I'll give it down.
They have Tesla. You're one shot.